Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a radio that's going into a 1978 VW Beetle. I don't think it's the original radio that goes with the Beetle because I'm used to seeing a Sapphire on VW radios, but I could be wrong. At any rate, this comes from Joe in Greendale, Wisconsin, and Joe's requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased output power and also the Bluetooth feature. So let's make sure it all works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. Let's turn her on.
And lying and smearing and lying. That's what they do.
And while we've got it on talk radio, I'll demonstrate the original balance and the virtual fader control. So here we go.
They have attacked
this
me
guy
regularly.
Doesn't talk often enough.
They always lie.
Okay,
about
balance
what I say.
left.
Always.
Balance right. Say something.
And
okay,
I'm
left.
used to it. And
Right.
I report to you.
Okay, I'm going to center.
Like Dennis Prager wants people to use the N-word.
Say
It's a
something.
100%
Okay,
yanked
now
out of
let's try the
context from
virtual
what I
front
said.
rear fader.
And yet, the left pickup
Fader adjust.
Okay,
and say
so
Dennis
now we've got
Prager
all front,
is unhappy that people
all rear,
can't use the N-word.
front, rear, say
As
something.
if I have ever
Okay, I'm
used
gonna
it in
center
my
him.
life in a derogatory manner.
Fader is set.
Even use
Okay,
it
let's
if
make sure
you're
the
reading
Bluetooth
off a
goes into
very
pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you
Even
heard that.
say
All right, we're
the
going to move
word
over to
is that
FM, which we do by letting this button out. Let me get
Description
this stuff going on.
of
All right, let's go to
a
FM
corporation.
and make sure we pick up some FM stations.
How would you describe?
A veces nos pasamos, nos ex...
And it shows up.
Jeff.com. Some terms of action and
That won't spin to get into my
victory is our mission.
no idea. Really?
Okay, let's try the 8-track. That's some Neil Sedaka here.
It's been a long and a lonely week. Ooh. Turn the world through a dealing love. Down, down, ba-da-doo. Ups or down, through a deal. You have made my life new. Let's go steady, looking for a love show. To me, my heart goes titter.
All right, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. All right, let's check the dial light, make sure that works. So you might be able to, I know it works, you just may not be able to see it because the dial is so softly lit in this room lighting you won't see it, but let me just make sure. Yep, things are lighting up when they're supposed to, so we're good. Yep, you can see them right underneath those buttons there. All right, so we're good to go. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please read the entire home page and download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all your questions will be answered on the home page and in the work order. You have to fill out a work order to include with the unit anyway, so go ahead and make that part of the research process to find out my prices, options, turn times, all that stuff. That way, when you do call me, it's like a 3 or 4 minute conversation instead of a 15-minute conversation that is just so disruptive to my workflow that it's just impracticable anymore. So thanks for that consideration. Thank you, Joe, for your business all the way from Greendale, Wisconsin, and we'll see you guys next time.